2024 Nissan Kicks. Release date, price and redesign. The 2024 Nissan Kicks is a midsize SUV that comes with a new interior and exterior design and advanced safety aids. And it also provides seating for a total of 5 people. Nissan Motors has also included a powerful engine in this new SUV, which provides both good speed and mileage. And this SUV has been specially made for such people. Those who want to buy a good mileage SUV at a very low cost. Along with this, Nissan Motors has many new connectivity features such as Google Map, Google Assistant, music streaming, audio sound system, 5G connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, Bose premium audio system, Nissan Connect registered trademark with Wi-Fi hotspot, and USB-A and USB-C ports have also been included. If you want to know everything about the upcoming 2024 Nissan Kicks, then read this article till the end. Because in this article we have told many things like release date, price, design, features, safety, colors, range, and speed of new Nissan Kicks that you should know. 2024 Nissan Kicks redesign. As we know, Nissan Motors last released the first generation of the 2023 Nissan Kicks with a facelift design and enhanced safety and features in the 2021 model year, and then again in 2022 for the 2023 model year with some new safety and feature additions. So we cannot expect any major design changes on the next Nissan Kicks, because this design is very much liked by the American people. Therefore, there has been no major change in its design for a long time. Apart from this, according to some big websites and reports, it is being told that there will not be any major change in the design of the next Nissan Kicks. However, after incorporating some new safety and features from the current model, it may be released in the 2024 model year. Also, some new connecting features such as Google Map, Google Assistant, music streaming, power door locks, audio sound system, 5G connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, and Bose premium audio system can also be included in the next Nissan Kicks. 2024 Nissan Kicks release date. Let us tell you that Nissan Motors has not yet made any disclosure about the release date of the next Nissan Kicks. But according to some reports, it is being told that the next Nissan Kicks can be released for the 2024 model year by the beginning of 2024 or by May 2024. And bookings for the 2024 model year could be released later this year or early 2024. If you don't have time to wait for the next Nissan Kicks, you can order the 2023 Nissan Kicks currently available here. Because there is not going to be any major change in the next Nissan Kicks. And this has also been confirmed by Nissan Motors. 2024 Nissan Kicks price and trims. Nissan Motors hasn't revealed the pricing of the next 2024 Nissan Kicks but currently offers the 2023 Nissan Kicks in a total of 3 trims S, SV, and SR, and prices for all trims start from $20,440 to $23,000. So we can hope the next new Nissan Kicks will include the same trims as the 2023 model, but the price tag could go up slightly. And below we have given the next Nissan Kicks price as per the 2023 model. Trims price, EST. S $22,000. SV $23,500. SR $25,000. 2024 Nissan Kicks range. The new Nissan Kicks is a midsize SUV, which can cover more than 310 miles on a full tank, 10.8 gallons. It is also important to note that the mileage of the next new Nissan Kicks SUV will be affected by engine problems, driving problems, and weather problems may be different depending. However, the new Nissan Kicks is a great SUV in terms of range and speed, which can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 9.6 seconds and can easily run at a top speed of 110 miles per hour. 2024 Nissan Kicks colors. Below is a list of all the colors that will be included in the new Kia Soul car. Exterior colors. Super Black, Gun Metallic, Boulder Gray Pearl, Aspen White Tri-Coat, Fresh Powder, Electric Blue Metallic, Scarlet Ember Tint Coat, Two-Tone Electric Blue Metallic / Super Black, Two-Tone Scarlet Ember Tint Coat / Super Black, Two-Tone Monarch Orange Metallic / Super Black, Two-Tone Boulder Gray Pearl / Super Black, Two-Tone Aspen White Tri-Coat / Super Black. Interior colors. Charcoal Primatex registered trademark. Charcoal Sport Cloth. Charcoal Cloth. 2024 Nissan Kicks connecting features. Nissan Motors has included very modern features in the new Nissan Kicks. For example, apart from Google Map, Google Assistant, music streaming, power door locks, audio sound system, 5G connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, and Bose premium audio system, other features are given below. Google Map, Google Assistant, music streaming, power door locks, audio sound system, 5G connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, Bose premium audio system, USB-A and USB-C ports, Nissan Connect registered trademark with Wi-Fi hotspot, 360 surround view camera system, 7-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless smartphone charging, 2024 Nissan Kicks Safety Features. The new Nissan Kicks is going to offer a host of advanced safety and convenience features. For example, advanced braking, rear automatic braking, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, intelligent driver alertness and other safety are given below, which help the passenger and driver to prevent any accident and provides a relaxed journey. Advanced braking. Latch and snug kids registered trademark. Rear automatic braking. Blind spot warning. Rear cross traffic alert. Lane departure warning. High beam assist. Intelligent cruise control. Intelligent driver alertness. Intelligent around view monitor. Nissan advanced airbag system. Traction control system, TCS. Anti-lock braking system. Vehicle dynamic control, VDC. Automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection. 2024 Nissan Kicks interior. The interior of the currently available 2023 Nissan Kicks has been made very luxurious and strong, as you can also see in the above picture. Along with this, many modern safety and convenience have also been included in it. So we can't expect to see any major changes in the interiors of the next Nissan Kicks. Talking about the seats of Nissan Kicks, enough space has been given for a total of 5 people to sit in it. And all the seats have been made very comfortable with high quality material. Along with this, the advanced airbag system has also been included in the side of the seats, which provides safety to the passenger and the driver. There is also some space in front of the rear seats so that the passengers can stretch their legs easily. And the rear cabin has also been made very spacious and strong, in which you can keep many other things along with bags and suitcases. And if you want more space, you can even fold down the rear seats. And then you can easily keep any of your belongings inside. Apart from this, a 7-inch touchscreen display has also been installed on the dashboard of interior, in which many advanced connecting features like audio sound system, Bluetooth connectivity, Google Map, power door locks, Bose premium audio system, USB-A and USB-C ports, Nissan Connect registered trademark with Wi-Fi hotspot and 360 surround view camera system have also been included. Overall, the interior of the 2023 Nissan Kicks has been designed very well. And much modern safety and convenience have also been included in it. So we can expect the next Nissan Kicks to include the same interior design as the 2023 model. But it is being told some reports that the interior of the next Nissan Kicks will include some new safety and convenience to the present 2024 Nissan Kicks engine and performance. Let us tell you that Nissan Motors is not going to make any major changes in the engine powertrain of the next Nissan Kicks. So we have told you about the powertrains of the next Nissan Kicks as per the 2023 Nissan Kicks currently available. As we know, all trims of the Nissan Kicks are offered with the same 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 122 HP power and 114 lb-ft of torque. And this powertrain is mated to a continuously variable transmission in a standard all-wheel drive. If we talk about its performance, it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 9.6 seconds and can easily run at a top speed of 110 miles per hour. 2024 Nissan Kicks Fuel Economy MPG. The same powertrain is offered for all trims of the new Nissan Kicks. Provides excellent fuel economy of 31 mpg in the city, 36 mpg on the highway, and 33 mpg combined, which is excellent fuel economy. 2024 Nissan Kicks specs. Brand Nissan. Trims 3 trims. Model 2024. Body type tiny SUV. Door 5 door. Seating capacity 5 passengers. Engine type 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine. Power 122 HP. Torque 114 lb-ft of torque. Transmission continuously variable transmission, CVT. Drivetrain all-wheel drive, AWD. 0 to 60 miles per hour time 9.6 seconds. Top speed 110 miles per hour. Mileage, full tank, up to 310 miles. Fuel tank capacity up to 10.8 gallons. Official website www.nissan.co.uk. 2024 Nissan Kicks dimensions. Length 169.1 inches. Width 69.3 inches. Height 63.4 inches. Wheelbase 103.1 inches. Ground clearance 7.0 inches. Curb weight 2,738 pounds. 2024 Nissan Kicks interior dimensions. Headroom, front/rear, 40.4 inches. Legroom, front/rear, 43.7 inches. Shoulder room, front/rear, 53.0 inches. Hip room, front/rear, 50.9 inches. Passenger volume, front/rear, 54.1/38.5 cu foot. Cargo volume, behind front/rear row, 25.3 feet superscript 3. 2024 Nissan Kicks review. When will the new Nissan Kicks be released? The next Nissan Kicks could be released as early as 2024 for the 2024 model year. And bookings for the 2024 model year are likely to open later this year. What is the price of the new Nissan Kicks? Nissan Motors will be offering the next 2024 Nissan Kicks in a total of 3 trims: S, SV, and SR. And all those trims will cost $22,000 to $25,000. What is the mileage of the new Nissan Kicks? The new Nissan Kicks is a midsize SUV, which can cover more than 310 miles on a full tank, and it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 9.6 seconds. Conclusion. Friends, in this article, we have given complete information about the new 2024 Nissan Kicks. Like, release date, redesign, price, trim, colors, range, speed, connecting features, safety features, and many more, all you need to know.